Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play. And today we're going to be opening Miss Tiana from the new Bratz line. I'm so excited that we have Bratz again. It feels so good to have Bratz in my hands. It feels so good to have Bratz on the shelves. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely love it. So, without further ado, let's get her unboxed. Pause! I forgot. Everybody has a little read up on their back, and Tiana says, "Hey, my name is Tiana, but my friends call me Hot Sauce because my moves are fire on the dance floor." That is so cute. And then she has a little chili pepper as her emblem. I think that's adorable. And she is fire, so let's finish unboxing her. Alrighty, she is out of the box, she is free, and she is beautiful. Just look at her. Giving you a little side eye. This fluffy coat, so beautiful, and look what's underneath. Little country outfit. I don't think she's supposed to be country. I think she's supposed to be more of like a punk, or not a punk because there's punk Bratz, but more of like, I don't know, a rock star. She doesn't come with a country girl hat, but total country girl outfit. And then she also comes with this cute skirt. I like it. I think it's pretty. I would probably do without this emblem part, but you know what? It'll be all right. Just hopefully it doesn't break off. And then look at this shirt. I would live to have a shirt like this. And then it just hooks in the back like that. So here's the shirt, so cute. And then she comes with these boots. And they're adorable. I can't wait to put them on one of my other dolls. And then these sunglasses. They're really cute. So, and then of course her brush. So, yeah. And then I get two different types of stands right now. I get the Kaiser stands, and then I call these Amazon knockoffs. So I get the Amazon knockoffs on Amazon. You just type in, well, I'll put in the description below where you can get these little knockoffs for your Bratz or for your other dolls. I like the Kaiser stands for like Bratz, Barbies, or no, for Monster Highs, Barbies, OMGs, things like that. But I like these stands for Bratz because they hold them well, and they're the only ones that seem to work well, because the Kaiser stands are a little too tall, so I might have to get a different Kaiser stand. I'm not quite sure. Oh, Kitty. My kitten just knocked over a stack of dolls. But anyway, here is Tiana. She's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thank you, you guys. Bye.